Sounds you've never heard before. First, the sound of ants. Yes, ants communicate by making sounds, but at a frequency and volume that are not accessible to the human ear. The sound of ants. The sound of a horse mammoth that went extinct 4,000 years ago. The sound of a black hole. The voice of mummies. By analyzing the vocal cords of an Egyptian mummy, scientists were able to determine what this person's voice sounded like. And here is the result. The echolocation of bats. The sound of a comet. And finally, the sound of a bird. Kawaii-u. This is the voice of the last living male of this species, singing in hopes of getting a response from a female, but she is already extinct. The sound of a bird.